So we'll move on to the triple bottom line accounting. So this is nothing but when companies usually have a annual financial report, they also prepare a triple bottom line report. Okay, so when you mingle both, you get a kind of a report where it gives you a perspective of the financial reporting plus the environmental and social reporting together. So you have the three elements. You have the financial, you have the social, and you have the environmental. So what is triple bottom line? Triple bottom line reporting is external reporting that gives consideration to financial outcomes, environmental quality, and social equity. So it focuses on three things. So again, the same thing here. Under the triple bottom approach, decision making should ensure that each perspective is growing, but not at the expense of the other. So whenever a decision is taken by the company, it should focus on all the three things. That is, economic performance should not come at the expense of environment or society. So usually this triple bottom line is always forward looking and qualitative also in nature. And by comparison, TBL reporting is more quantitative summary of a company's economic, environmental and social performance. So it's about the measurement here. So we are not going to give stories after stories about what the company, what the good the company has done. It's going to be a quantitative. It has to be in numbers so that it is easier to measure. So because focus on three things here. So TBL focuses on three things: people, profit, and planet. In people, we deal about social variables including the benefits a company has in terms of the community, education, equity, social resources, health, well-being, and quality of life. In terms of profit, the company has to earn also, so they earn in terms of bottom line and cash flow. The company's environmental impact should be on natural resources, water, air quality, energy conservation, and land use. So when all the three things come together, it gives a sustainable business performance. So this can be the elements under each heading. So in terms of profit, we could measure the sales, profit, ROI, tax paid, monetary flows, even the number of jobs created. In terms of environment, we can measure the air quality, water quality, energy usage, water waste produced. In social, we can measure the labor practices, how we treat the labor, community impacts, like how we are impacting them in terms of the education, the life standard, the human rights, and the product responsibilities. So this is how we could measure the triple bottom line. So if a company uses triple bottom line, what are the benefits? One, it ensures that the quality of food will be really good. Okay, if not for all companies, for certain companies. Okay, it gives an assurance that the quality of the product will be really good. The quality of human rights will be really good. Okay, so that the company does not use any child labor, no human rights violation, work-life balance it ensures. So these are things. Some companies also look in terms of welfare of animals, such as no testing on animals. So these are the impacts of the good things created by measuring a company through TBL. So we also have the advantages. So in terms of identifying stakeholders' concerns, employees are involved, it's good governance, performance is monitored, stakeholders are again consulted. Okay, so it is usually the same kind of benefit which integrated reporting also gives us. So there is also critics of TBL. The critics of TBL argue that while the aspirations of the TBL movement are sound on both practical and conceptual grounds, the TBL is an unhelpful addition to the CSR debate, and it promises more than it can deliver. So it is an incorporation of the CSR and the annual report together. So it looks like the company is doing a lot on the TBL, but actually it doesn't. So that's what their argument is. It's only an unnecessary addition to the annual reports.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.